Hey everybody, Tech Pros here, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of smart homes. Now I know what you're thinking. Smart homes are expensive, complicated, and only for tech wizards, right? Wrong. Let's face it, we all want a modern and efficient home that feels futuristic, that makes our lives easier and more comfortable without costing us an arm and a leg. But sometimes, traditional home systems can feel a bit outdated and inefficient. That's where smart home technology comes in. With a bit of planning and some affordable devices, you can transform your living space into a smart, streamlined oasis that fits your budget and lifestyle. The good news is, creating a smart home doesn't have to break the bank or require a degree in computer science. With a little planning and the right gadgets, you can transform your house into a smart home without emptying your wallet. All right, before we jump into the fun stuff, let's take a step back and figure out what you actually need. Start by walking through your house and think about the areas you want to improve. Maybe you're tired of fumbling for the light switch in the dark, or perhaps you want better control over your home's temperature. Security is another big one. Wouldn't it be awesome to get alerts on your phone if someone's at your door? Or maybe you're just looking for ways to make your entertainment setup more convenient. Whatever it is, write it down. This is your smart home roadmap. Remember, we're going for budget-friendly here, so prioritize the things that will make the biggest impact on your daily life. No need to go all in on every single smart gadget out there. But if you do, the following is a comprehensive list of smart gadgets that you can buy to fully automate your home with different options. Then again, you will need to phase out the project according to your budget. Here we go. 1. Home hubs and controllers. 2. Lighting. 3. Thermostats. 4. Security systems. 5. Plugs and outlets. 6. Home appliances. 7. Home entertainment. 8. Climate control. 9. Home health devices. 10. Kitchen gadgets. 11. Gardening tools. 12. Blinds and curtains. 13. Garage door openers. 14. Water leak and freeze sensors. 15. Pet care devices. 16. Home energy management. 17. Voice assistance integration. Now that you know what you want to achieve, let's talk about the brains of the operation, the smart home hub or controller. Think of this as the command center for all your smart devices. Popular choices include Amazon Echo with Alexa or Google Home with Google Assistant. These devices act as a central point of communication, allowing you to control everything with your voice or through an app. They're surprisingly affordable too, often going on sale for under $50. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare features. Some hubs might integrate better with specific brands or offer more advanced automation options. For a budget-conscious setup, a basic hub that covers essential functions like voice control and device connectivity is a good starting point. You can always expand later as your smart home grows. With your hub sorted, it's time for the fun part, choosing your smart devices. We're sticking to budget-friendly options, so let's focus on the essentials. First up, smart light bulbs. These are a game changer for convenience and energy efficiency. You can control them with your phone, schedule them to turn on and off automatically, and even adjust the color and brightness to set the mood. Next, consider smart plugs. These turn any dumb appliance into a smart one. Imagine scheduling your coffee maker to start brewing before you even get out of bed. And of course, no smart home is complete without a smart thermostat. These bad boys learn your habits and adjust the temperature accordingly, saving you money on your energy bills. Remember, you don't need to buy everything at once. Start with a few key devices and add more as your budget allows. Now, I know what you're thinking. Setting up smart devices sounds complicated, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's way easier than you think. Most smart devices these days are designed with user-friendliness in mind. They usually come with a simple mobile app that guides you through the setup process step by step. You'll connect the device to your Wi-Fi, link it to your smart home hub, and boom, you're good to go. Seriously, it's often as simple as plugging it in and following the on-screen instructions. If you do run into any hiccups, don't panic. Most manufacturers have helpful support websites or even dedicated customer service lines. And hey, there's always the power of YouTube tutorials. Just search for your specific device and you'll find tons of helpful videos that walk you through the process. Okay, you've got your hub and your devices, everything set up and working. Now it's time to take your smart home to the next level with customization. This is where the real magic happens. Remember those needs you identified earlier? Now's the time to address them with personalized automations. Let's say you wanted better lighting control. With your smart bulbs, you can create schedules to automatically turn lights on at sunset and off at sunrise. Or maybe you're tired of manually adjusting the thermostat. Your smart thermostat can learn your preferences and create a customized heating and cooling schedule that keeps you comfortable while saving energy. The possibilities are endless. You can set up scenes that activate multiple devices with a single command, like a good morning scene that turns on the lights, starts the coffee maker, and adjusts the thermostat. It's like having your own personal butler, but way cheaper. So there you have it. Creating a budget-friendly smart home is totally doable. And trust me, it's incredibly rewarding. Taking control of your living space, automating tasks, and making your home more efficient feels amazing. Don't be intimidated by the tech. It's all designed to be user-friendly. Start small, prioritize your needs, and gradually build your smart home over time. Oh, and speaking of budget-friendly, I've got a special treat for you guys. I've partnered with a company that makes awesome solar panel kits, and they're offering a fantastic discount for my viewers. You'll find the link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and start building your dream smart home today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, by the way, if you like this video and want to get notifications of new videos once released, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to like, share, and hit the notify buttons. Thank you for your support. Cheers!